today. Let's get the thanks out of the way, and then we can move on to the trophies and that. Obviously, you've seen Steve. Well, first and foremost, you guys, as always, thanks for coming. Some of you support us. This is number 3 now. Some of you have been here from day 1, or show 1 if you like, still doing it now. And obviously we're still meeting new people every year, which is great, and we really appreciate you coming. I know this weekend it was a bit up and down with the weather, so for actually getting out of bed this morning and dragging the cars out, you know, it means a lot. Thank you very much. You'll see the cripple on my left is Steve. He's obviously come off of his bike a couple of weeks ago, so just want to give him a round of applause because, you know, realistically I probably would have just stayed indoors today. But Steve carried on through, let us come down and ruin his drive and his lawn and everything. So just a thanks to Steve. And while Steve has been hobbling around today, his lovely wife Suzanne and his 2 beautiful girls have also helped us out. They've been stuck down at the gate this morning for a couple of hours, freezing, directing you guys in. So just a round of applause for them girls as well. Really appreciate that. We have, as usual, our OG sponsors. So we have Maguire's here. Again, they've been here from year 1 and continue to do so. With Maguire's, is he about Maguire's? He's there. Not your fault, is it? But we obviously, with the trophies, we give away detailing packs supplied by Maguire's and that. It's been a bit of a, how can I say it without swearing? It's been a bit of a mix-up, so we haven't got them long and short of it. So you'll get the trophy. We all know who the winners are. So what we'll do is we'll post you these detailing packs out after, just to make sure you don't go without. So you'll be a bit empty-handed today, but we'll get them in the post, Joe. Okay. Along with the sponsors from day 1, we also have VW Airstyle magazine. These guys have supported us from the beginning. Big Volkswagen following, obviously, being a magazine. They also have 2 shows. If you're not aware, one is Volkswild, which is on the 12th and the 14th of July at Penhurst Place. And they've now, I think, first year, they're doing a classic at Penhurst, which is any kind of car. So obviously everyone here is eligible to go. But that one is on the 18th of August. So suggest you have a look on the socials for VW Airstyle magazine. They've got lots going on this year, and they will obviously steer you in the right direction. With our tried and tested sponsors, Total BMW, we have Buffy here somewhere. She's obviously Ella Buffy. Buffy, show number 3 for us as well. She always turns up and obviously supports Total BMW magazine, so thanks to you guys. And this year we're pleased to welcome Toyo Tyres. Obviously not here in person today, surprise, surprise, but they are here in spirit and they're obviously sponsoring a trophy, so we picked the car based on our discussions with them. Also we have Carl and his team from Power Base. Where's Carl? Is he about? Is he hiding? Carl, thank you very much, mate, for supporting us this year and hopefully many years to come. So Carly's just round the corner now for all your basey needs. Obviously you heard his demo earlier on, pretty epic, some of the sounds coming from that corner. So hit him up if you need anything car audio related. Moving on, we have obviously to my right DJ, Nav, been banging out the tunes all day long. Can I get a big shout out to Nav, big round of applause. Again, Nav comes every year, we love having him and he loves us. We have our usual photographers and videographers walking around, hand-built cars, Jack's Films. This year, World Chuff Media, massive trip down to do this for us, so thanks. And we've got a gentleman called Gordon. So a round of applause for the guys walking around all day. Thank you, Gordon. Round of applause for them. Round of applause. Okay, I think that's all the niceties and the pleasantries, so we'll get on to the trophies and then you can all swerve. People's choice. So we've got a ballot box, as you know, you all voted. Quite surprisingly, some of you voted for this little yellow thing here, which is mine. Who voted for that? Well, I was going to personally thank you, but all 2 of you. But yeah, so people's choice. Obviously, there was a couple in the run. I think it got down to about 3, didn't there, really? But one just picked it at the post. It's a silver E9 slammed one round there. No surprise, really. So the slammed silver BMW E9 round now. There we go. Take your time, mate. Close it too. What I made?
What? Thank you. There you go.
Can you see a little picture?
Thank you.
What I made?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for all the people that did actually put their name down and basically vote for that car. Much appreciated. So moving on to our sponsor's choice from Maguire's. There is a stunning brown Audi RS in that corner over there. That was Maguire's choice, and to be honest, I can see why. Is that you there, sir? Well done, mate. Round of applause. Like I say, it's a bit empty-handed with just obviously the cap and the trophy, but we'll get the packs out. So a round of applause. Thank you very much, mate. We have our Toyo sponsor's choice, which was the slammed Blue Astra, also over in that corner there. I believe that is Emily, is it? Well done, Emily. Also knows to pass the sound as well, isn't it? That's from Toyo, yeah, so, and we'll get the pack out to you, alright? Thank you, round of applause. Total BMW magazine is that wide body E31 there. Bobby, do you want to come up and grab that? You've got as much to do with that. So Roy's not here, unfortunately. He was one of the guys that looked at the weather this morning and thought, no, I'm not coming, but just in case I win, I'll drop my car off the day before, which has obviously worked for him. So that's all good. We have Powerbase's choice, so Carl and his team is the orange M3, all libraried up there, gets about. We know the owner, Wayne, very, very nice man. Wayne, where are you? Well done, Wayne. Big old journey for Wayne, camped down last night. Well done, Wayne. Cheers, mate. That's that one. Moving on to the final sponsor's choice, which is VW Air Style. You'll notice a pucker, grey Volkswagen Beetle over there. Always posting pictures on the social bits and pieces he speaks. Where's Dave? There's Dave. Well done, Dave. Well deserved. Epic little bug. Well done, mate. Well done, Dave, and thanks, VW Air Style magazine. Okay, moving on to the top 6 in no particular order. Fight. It's always the little ones. Okay, so we have got an absolutely stunning blue Mark 1 Golf on the left-hand side on the way out. All chromed up engine, carbon literally everywhere you can physically see. Again, another long journey this morning. Was it Cornwall this morning, was it? Yeah, fair old trip for you, mate, in that weather as well, so well deserved. For the build and the effort. Thank you, mate. Number 2, no particular order. This is a little favourite of mine, this comes every year as well. It's a purple Skyline in the centre over there. Belongs to Kai.
Not yours.
No, come on, mate. Wicked little car, that. Always sitting there gleaming wherever he goes. Well done, mate. We'll get that pack out to you, yeah?
Cheers, thank you.
Number 3 is, there's a E36 Touring over there with that humongous wing on the back. That's the winner. E36 Touring with a big wang on the back. Well done, mate. You bought 3 cars today as well, didn't you? Yeah, good man.
Thank you very much.
Nice one. Extra large meal one up there. Right. We have, behind me there is a pretty sick comma. True definition of built, not bought. Again, epic one. Well done on that one. Well done, mate. And down to the final 2, we had a little group of guys from Belgium which made the trip. So again, just on a personal note, thanks very much for taking that trip. It's a big old journey to make just for our little show, so we appreciate that. And as luck would have it, one of you guys have won. So it's the wrapped Audi over there. Pretty badass wrap on it. Well done. Thanks for making the trip, and thanks for doing the car. Just while we're talking about Bird, I think Christoph is here from Wiser Stance as well, isn't he? Hello, mate. You alright? Thanks again for coming over and just having a little head in our little show. Much appreciated. And then our last, but by no means least, is the slammed Mercedes down there. Gets a lot of attention wherever it goes, to be fair. It's probably just as nice as his outfit. I should have given him a trophy for his outfit alone. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Well done, mate. Well done.
There you go. Yeah, buddy. Okay.
Well done. So again, just to wrap it up, guys, we do appreciate it. We know the weather was a bit touch and go and everyone was squeaking a bit this morning, shall we and shan't we? The guys that did, obviously you lot did come and do it for us, so thanks very much. We'll check the socials. You should have some pictures and videos of all your cars and bits and pieces and what we're sort of planning in the future. And I think all there is just a safe journey home, mind the speed bumps, and that's it, guys. So thanks very much, yeah? Cheers.
Before you all go.
Oh, hang on, sorry, there's more. What's this? We've got me a Brian and Dan calendar.
Also a calendar there for you.
You're an idiot. Okay, thanks very much, dickhead. Right, so I don't know what you mean. I've got a habit of breaking down. I don't know if you obviously some of you know me, some of you don't. I don't tend to get very far in anything I basically get in. So this is just a little reminder, as in a calendar form, of all my breakdowns. Just to rub it in a little bit more. So thanks for that, guys, much appreciated. And again, chaps, thank you very much, and we'll see you hopefully next year in maybe a bigger place with a lot more cars and a lot more stuff for you guys to do. I know it's a long day to spend here. Just I know we all love a chat, but you know, even I get sick of these two after a couple of hours, and you guys have been here for probably 5-6 hours. So thanks very much again, yeah. So trip home. Bye bye.